Okay, so to make the coasters, you're gonna need the Cricut Infusible Ink compatible coasters, and these are the 4 square coasters with the cork backing. And I'm going to be using the Infusible Ink pens. And then you're gonna need some heat resistant tape and an easy press, the easy press mat, your Cricut, and then some laser paper. I just got this laser paper off Amazon because I have an inkjet printer and not laser. And then a piece of cardstock, a light piece, white or very light colored, and some butcher paper. Okay, so when you open a new canvas, you're gonna click on the images, and then here is the file, the image number up here, M55ECBF8, right there. And if you search for that, this whole thing comes up. So I'm gonna click on that and then insert images. And then I'm gonna come up here and ungroup these so I can see what I'm working with. So you'll notice with the flamingo, there's 2 parts of it. So I'm gonna undo that so they go back together. So I'm gonna use my cursor and put a box around this and actually attach these together. Okay, so now these, actually, if you come up here, you'll see the line type says cut, but we want them to say draw. So we're just gonna go down and click on draw, and you'll see that this changes. And then I'm gonna click on the black, and I'm going to be using my infusible ink. So these are listed here. So I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna use the green, and that just outlines it for me, and then I will color it in. I'm gonna do the same thing with all of these. I'm gonna go to draw, and I'm gonna change this one to green. I'm gonna change this one again to draw, and the neon pink, and this one to draw, and neon orange on these. Okay, so then I'm gonna add a shape. So I'm gonna come over here on the left side, and I'm gonna click a shape. So this is gonna be the size of my coaster so that it will cut out the paper. So my coaster is 3.75 inches. So I'm coming up to the size. I'm gonna type in 3.75 and hit return. And while this is locked, it will change both of them to 3.75. So I have the square coasters with the cork on the back. So I'm gonna leave this to cut. I'm actually gonna change it to white. That's what we're doing. And then I'm gonna make 4 of these. So I'm gonna hit the duplicate over here on the top right. 2, 3, and 4. So now I'm gonna arrange this so this is in the front. So I'm gonna put send to front, and then I'm gonna size this how I want on here. And you can also make it a little wider if you hit the unlock button. Make a little fatter of a pineapple. Okay, so then I'm actually gonna put these, center these. So I put a box around both of them. I'm gonna go to a line, and I'm gonna center. So now they're centered, and I'm now down on the bottom. I'm gonna hit attach. So you'll see up here that this says draw, and this one says cut. So I'm going to do the same thing for all of these. I'm going to move this to the front so I can see it. I'm going to make it smaller so it fits on here. Maybe a little bit taller. Okay, and then I'm going to put a box around both of them. I'm going to center them and attach. And again, over here, you'll see the draw and the cut. I'm gonna do same for this, send to front. And you also, if you want words or anything on here, you can do that as well. Going to center this and attach. And last one, send to front again. Center both and attach. Okay, so now I'm going to save this just so I have it. And we're going to go to make it. Okay, so on this page, I am using just a piece of laser paper. So I'm going to change this to 8.5 by 11, a letter size, and that will move these for me. And then you also want to make sure you click the mirror setting here. Okay, so I have all these here. I'm going to click continue. So I am going to just use, so you'll see this connected to my maker automatically, and then I'm just going to use the copy paper. So I'm going to click this button, and you'll see here that it tells me to load my neon green infusible ink pen first and the fine blade. So let's do that. And once that's all done, it will tell me to go. Okay, so I'm going to apply my piece of laser paper to a light grip mat. And my design space is prompting me to load the neon green. So I'll put the neon green right in there, close it. Put these up to the rollers. Hit the load button. I'm gonna wait for the C to blink. And once that blinks, it tells me it's ready to go. So I'm gonna push it and let it go. Okay, so you'll notice that my Cricut paused and it's blinking and my screen says tool change required and to load the neon pink. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna put in my neon pink, push it till it locks, press that in, and then press the blinking light. Okay, so it paused one more time, telling me to put in neon orange. Press that in, and again, let it go. Okay, so everything's done and I'm getting the arrow light, so I'm gonna unload these. Okay, so now comes the fun part of coloring them in. So I'm just gonna remove the paper. I'll peel each of these off. So you'll notice that they're not real vibrant yet, like the neon, but that's the magic of the infusible ink. With once you add the heat to it, it's gonna get much more vibrant on the coasters. So before I do this, I'm actually gonna preheat my easy press. So pushing the on button, and again, the website for the heat guide says 400 degrees. So I'm gonna push this till it blinks, go up to 400, push it again. I'm going to push the time and up this to 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to let that heat up while I color these in. So I'm going to put just another piece of paper on the back so it doesn't leak through onto my table. And I'm going to use the orange and the yellow to color this in. Okay, so I have that colored in how I want it. Okay, so I have my flamingo here, and I'm just gonna color him in just a little bit, give him a little bit more color. And this would also be a fun thing to have your kids do. You can color in something. Make a great gift for Father's Day or for grandparent. And there's no right or wrong on, I'm just kind of coloring in whatever I want here. And you don't even have to color them in at all. Okay, so I'm gonna leave him like that. So I'm going to put down my Easy Press mat, and then I'm going to put a piece of butcher paper on my mat. I'm going to wipe off one of these, and then I'm going to use my heat resistant tape to tape this on. Okay, and then I'm going to cover it with a clean piece of cardstock, and then I'm just going to lay my Easy Press on top and push the button so it goes. And no pressure, so I'm just leaving it there, letting it work for 60 seconds. Okay, so once it's done, I'm gonna lift it off. I'm gonna take my paper off, and then I'm gonna leave this alone and let it cool. They're very, very hot. Especially if you're doing the ceramic coaster, so you don't want to touch it. So just let it completely cool, and then we will take it off and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is cooled down enough, so I am going to take the tape off. So there you have it. Look how cool that is. Very bright neon colors. This is totally in there. It's not going to wash off. You don't need any sealant. It's waterproof already, and that will never come off or fade. I love that. Look how bright that is. And here's the sun, and I will show you the other ones when I'm done.